Hi there and welcome to our channel. The reason you're here is probably because you just bought a DJI RS2 and are wondering how to put it into briefcase mode. I was wondering and I wasn't quite sure because the manuals didn't tell very much and there weren't many YouTube videos that got straight to the point. So I'm actually going to show you now how to do it. Let's start off by saying I bought the combo kit for the RS2, which means I got this little attachment handle along with the package. What we're going to do now, if Mara will come a little bit closer, Mara, our camera woman, the attachment goes on here, this little rubber piece. Are you getting a good shot of it, Mara?
Yes.
You pull this rubber piece off, don't be afraid to pull it off. Just pull a little bit from the side, very gently. As you can see, it's just plain rubber and it's held with these two little attachments on the sides. These are your attachments for mobile phones and for the handle. So if I put that to the side, and I take the handle here, you can see, are you getting a good shot of that, Mano?
Yes.
You can screw it open and shut like a little clamp. I'm not quite sure whether it's the absolutely correct way to do it, but it's the easiest way and the best way is to just, maybe you come in and get a closer one. As you can see, I'm sliding it up here. I better put my glasses on, I can't see anything. There we go, sliding it up, it clamps onto it, and then you just got to turn and tighten it. That's it, done. Now you're wondering where the handle comes from. As you can see, we have a foot on the RS2. I'm going to turn that a little bit, well not a little bit, I'm going to turn it off so it's in my hand. And now I'm going to attach it to the top of the handle. Can we see that? As we screw it in, I don't have a camera on the RS2 at the moment. And I'm not going to put it on yet because we're using that for today's film. And there you go. There you have a handle. The camera would be balanced here in front and you would take it along the ground in a very easy and comfortable way. Hope this little tutorial helped you. It wasn't meant to be fancy or anything, just to the point. Thanks for watching our videos. We'll see you on the next video. If you want to check out some of our travel videos where we're going to be using this equipment, please feel free to do so. Bye bye for now, have a good day, and we'll see you.